Mercedes Carey was a British professional swimmer. She was the first person to swim the Straits of Gibraltar and the first British woman to swim the English Channel. The name of Mercedes Gleitze was used to market Rolex's new waterproof case, the Oyster. She established endurance records for swimming, including a record of 46 hours in 1932. She was able to raise funds to found the Mercedes Gleitze Homes in Leicester via sponsorship. The Mercedes Gleitze charity is now linked to the Family Action Charity. Mercedes Gleitze was born to Heinrich and Anna Gleitze in 1900 in the English south coastal town of Brighton. She and her two elder sisters came from German heritage, and Mercedes spent time with her grandparents in Herzogenaurach in Bavaria and 2 years studying at the Maria Stern Convent School in Nördlingen. Her father was a German immigrant from the county of Göttingen. He was a baker and her mother taught languages. With her bilingual background and education, Gleitze became a secretary and stenographer in central London, exploiting her talent for languages. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.